Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of DIY Car Maintenance. Today, we're going to talk about how you can save money by taking care of your car with a few easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or someone who's never opened the hood of a car before, I promise that you'll find something of value here today. Let's start with something simple: checking and changing your oil. This is one of the most important things you can do to keep your car running smoothly, and it's also one of the easiest. All you need is a little bit of know-how and the right tools. First, check your owner's manual to see what kind of oil your car requires and how often it needs to be changed. Then, gather the necessary tools, like an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Finally, find a level surface, jack up your car, and drain the oil into the pan. Replace the oil filter, and refill the engine with fresh oil. It's that simple. Next, let's talk about rotating your tires. This is another simple step that can have a big impact on the longevity and performance of your vehicle. By rotating your tires regularly, you'll ensure that they wear evenly and that your car handles smoothly. Again, check your owner's manual for the recommended rotation schedule. Then, simply jack up your car, remove the lug nuts, and swap the front and rear tires. This will distribute the wear evenly and prevent any one tire from becoming worn down too quickly. Another way to save money on car maintenance is to keep an eye on your brakes. Regular brake inspections can help you identify potential problems before they become serious, saving you time and money in the long run. To perform a brake inspection, start by lifting up your car and removing the wheel. Then, inspect the brake pads for wear, the brake rotor for damage, and the brake calipers for leaks. If everything looks good, replace the wheel and move on to the next one. If you notice any problems, consider having a professional take a look. We've talked about a few simple steps that can help you keep your car running smoothly and save you money in the long run. But what about those times when something goes wrong? That's where the power of preventive maintenance comes in. By performing regular inspections and making repairs as needed, you can avoid more serious and expensive problems down the line. So, whether you're changing your oil, rotating your tires, or inspecting your brakes, take the time to do it right and you'll save yourself a lot of money in the long run. And there you have it. A few simple steps that can help you save money on car maintenance. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy motoring!